Hey maths fans, little challenge for you here. I have a stick. I also have a box. Now, I would like to know, does this stick fit in this box without anything poking out? And there's only one way to find that out. Oh wait, the way to find it out is with maths. Of course I know where it fits in, I've put it there. Can you tell me whether that stick will fit inside that box, given these are the dimensions? So I measured the box as carefully as I could, and these are the dimensions I got. 30 length, width 21.5, and height 23.5. And the length of the rod, we very carefully cut this out in the DT department, is 45 centimeters. Now, in order to do this, you're going to need to use one of the topics we've used this year, which is Pythagoras. We've done it in 2 dimensions, so you're going to have to use a little bit of Pythagoras repeated. So if you imagine that rod there, if you imagine that trying to squeeze from one corner all the way over to the other corner. Now this is not accurate, but if you imagine that, we create lots of right-angled triangles, but in 3 dimensions. So your challenge is to try and figure out what the length from one corner of the box is to the other, and will the 45 centimeter rod fit in there exactly. There's your challenge. Best answers, I'll get some sort of prize. Have a lovely time solving that one.